Before rings, before vows, before wedding dresses, there was just two people and a feeling they had no words for yet. But here is what nobody tells you. Falling in love in the primitive era was one of the most dangerous things a human being could do. Because love in the ancient world didn't just involve two people. It involved the entire tribe. The elders, the rivals, the politics of survival. Choose the wrong partner, and you could be cast out. Choose the right one, and it could determine whether your entire bloodline survived or vanished forever. Stay right there, because what you are about to discover about ancient love will make everything you think you know about relationships look completely different. Let's start with the raw truth. In the primitive era, attraction was not about romance. It was about survival calculation. Every primitive human, consciously or not, was asking one question when they looked at a potential partner. Can this person help me and my children survive? Men demonstrated value through provision, hunting skill, strength, the ability to protect. A man who returned from a hunt empty-handed was invisible. Women demonstrated value through gathering skill, knowledge of plants, ability to build and maintain fire, social bonds within the tribe. A woman who kept people alive was extraordinary. But here is what surprises researchers most. Physical health signals dominated ancient attraction above everything else. Symmetrical features, clear skin, strong posture, bright eyes. Every one of these signals told a potential partner, my genes are healthy, my immune system is strong, my children will survive. And then there was status. A man respected by the tribe was magnetic, not because of ego, because tribal respect meant better access to food, protection, and resources for any family he built. Now here's where it gets fascinating. Ancient courtship looked nothing like what movies show us. The first move in virtually every ancient culture studied was the gift. Food, crafted objects, rare materials. A man who gave without demanding anything in return was signaling something powerful. I can provide. I am generous. I will not take from you. I will add to your life. Music and rhythm were powerful courtship tools. Ancient percussion, singing, dance. Research shows that musical ability across cultures signals cognitive complexity, intelligence, to a potential mate. Proximity shifted gradually, day by day. Sitting closer at the fire, walking near each other during movement. Small moments that built something neither of them had a name for yet. Grooming behavior, cleaning, touching hair was one of the most intimate signals of early bonding. In primates, in ancient humans, and still today, touch communicates what words cannot. But here is the part modern people never consider. Nothing happened without the tribe watching. Elders observed every interaction, evaluated compatibility, assessed whether this pairing strengthened or weakened the group. Love in the ancient world was never purely private. It was tribal business. And where there's attraction, there is competition. Ancient male rivalry was not just emotional. It was physical, it was political, and sometimes it was lethal. When two men wanted the same woman, the tribe often became the audience. Displays of dominance, tests of strength, hunting competitions. Who came back with more? Who stood taller under pressure? But here is what researchers discovered. that rewrites everything. Physical dominance alone rarely won. The men who consistently attracted partners in primitive societies were not always the strongest. They were the most socially intelligent, the most respected, the ones the tribe trusted. A man the tribe trusted was a man who could protect a family through alliance, not just force. And ancient women knew exactly what that meant for their children's survival. And rejection in the ancient world carried enormous social weight. A rejected man lost status, became a warning signal to others. A woman who rejected carelessly risked male aggression with no legal system to protect her, which is why women in primitive bands almost never navigated this alone. Female alliances, mothers, aunts, elder women, provided counsel and protection throughout the entire process. So when two people chose each other and the tribe approved, what did the actual union look like? There were no churches, no paperwork, no rings, but there were rituals, and they were taken with absolute seriousness. Across dozens of ancient cultures studied by anthropologists, wrist binding appears repeatedly. Two people physically connected, witnessed by the community. This is where the phrase tying the knot actually comes from. The union was followed by a communal feast, not to celebrate romance, but to seal a social contract. The tribe was committing to support this new family unit, and the couple was committing to contribute to the tribe. The tribe then helped build the couple a shelter, their own space within the group, but separate. A declaration, these two now function as one unit, and from that point, the man's hunting provision went to his family first. This was not ownership. Researchers are clear on this. It was partnership, mutual investment, shared survival. But here is the part that will surprise you most. Ancient partnerships in many hunter-gatherer societies studied showed something modern relationships often lose: genuine interdependence. Neither partner was dominant. Neither was dispensable. She needed him to hunt and protect. He needed her to gather, process food, maintain the camp, and raise children. Remove either one, and the family unit collapsed. Here is what modern relationship science keeps rediscovering. The things that created lasting bonds in the ancient world are the same things that create lasting bonds today. Generosity, reliability, social respect, physical health signals, emotional safety. 10,000 years of civilization, and the human heart still responds to the same inputs. The ancient partnership wasn't built on butterflies. It was built on trust that was tested, demonstrated, earned. Your brain still runs ancient relationship software. The butterflies you feel, the jealousy, the need for security, the pull towards someone who makes others respect them. None of that is modern. All of it is 300,000 years old. Ancient humans loved fiercely, chose carefully, and built something that had to survive a world designed to destroy it. And somehow, it worked. Because you are here, you exist because two ancient people, with everything working against them, chose each other. And someone in your bloodline kept making that choice for 300,000 years. Next video, we go even deeper. How did primitive people handle heartbreak, betrayal, and divorce? The answers from ancient anthropology are amazing and painfully relatable. Subscribe so you don't miss it, because the story of love started long before anyone thought to write it down.